Hi everyone. Today we will be exploring the Smol developer tool, which can scaffold code bases and provide building blocks for your projects. Let's get started.
Can you please tell me the benefits of this?
The benefits of Smol developer include faster code base scaffolding, the ability to customize and iterate on your own prompts, and the convenience of having a junior developer in your app.
I'm really excited to look into this tool. Whenever you want to start a project or whenever you want to develop an application, this could be a first step of scaffolding, creating the required files, creating the structure. So this make the work much more easier and simpler. So let's get started. First step, git clone https Smol AI developer. Once after you clone that in your directory, navigate to the folder. Now export your API key, open API key, which would look something similar to this. You can get the open API key from the platform. You can go and create new key, and you should be able to create a new key. Once after you generate a key, then enter that here. Then after that, you create a Conda environment. Conda create -n Smol AI Python 3.10.0. This is just a virtual environment where you can make your application your own. Once after it is installed, you just activate the environment. Conda activate Smol AI. Now install the required packages using Poetry, Poetry install. If you don't have Poetry installed, you can do that by brew install Poetry or whatever application. You should be able to go to Google and download it and install it. So Poetry installed. This will automatically install the required packages. Once that is done, now it's all ready. That's it. So just type Python main.py HTML JS CSS Tic Tac Toe game. This will automatically start creating the basic files for Tic Tac Toe game. You can build from that. This is like a junior developer who is working for you. Now the basic Tic Tac Toe game is created. Now we are going to see how it looks like. We are going to navigate into cd generator folder, and you should be able to open the index.html file. So that's Tic Tac Toe game. So it's a tie. This game got created. Now you can improvise from this layout. That's it. Start creating things, and please comment below the things which you are creating using this, and please do like, share and subscribe if you do like this video. Thanks for watching.